This is a 1979 C3 Corvette, painted candy apple red. Beautiful paint job. And I am really surprised it did not sell. It only got up to a certain point. I'll have that amount in a minute. But look at this. The interior looks beautiful. The paint job is amazing. I mean, they really did a good job. In a paint job like this, I am thinking anywhere on the cheap side, $10,000, maybe $15,000. I mean, it takes a lot of work to get a car to look this good. And yeah, maybe the ground effects and the spoiler are not for everyone. I understand that. But still, I mean, this is the kind of car that you can turn the key, drive and enjoy and not feel guilty about it. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Why such a beautiful car does not sell for a decent amount? I am really confused. Let's take a quick look under the hood. See if they did anything special. Oh yeah, a little bit of chrome. LED2 style valve covers. Looks actually pretty good. It was a barn find. They did a good job. Very nice.